Welcome back to Prince Reach Adventure, guys. How did we get here? Follow along with me. As you saw in the title there, I'm just going to do a little bit of a backyard reno. So I just want to get rid of this grass here and make it more presentable. So it's less muddy when rain falls. So I'm going to get some creek stone, put that down on one section and keep a little section as grass. So as you can see, the finished product here, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna walk you through the process to get to where we are right now. All right, so follow along with me. I guess I should go up closer, but this is what I'm working on here. I'm gonna have to move all those gravel or creek stone from the gate there and spread it across where I've laid down that lawn fabric. I'm gonna make a walkway with those creek stones going across to the right there. Alright, so I'm moving all of that and I'm gonna lay it out here. Go around that side. Before. People, so just doing a little bit of backyard work here, cleaning up, putting on some walkway stones and putting on some gravel to make it look nice. As you can see here what I'm working on, just trying to make some trips with the bucket and then leveling out with the rake, and I didn't do any tamping, but I had to put down that green lawn fabric, black lawn fabric, just to prevent the grass from growing up through the stones. And afterwards I was able to just level out those river stones and bought enough. I'm not sure how much I did buy, but I know it was enough to cover the space that I needed it for. Yeah, I was able to do that a couple afternoons after school. I wasn't able to do it in all one sitting, but I just compiled a video to show you the complete project from start to finish. Hope you enjoy it.